Hello friends, welcome to Victory Vision360, where we plant seeds of inspiration and self-improvement in your life. Today's topic is the importance of writing a diary. A diary is a tool that helps us organize our thoughts and enhances our mental peace and clarity. Section 1, Introduction to Diary Writing. Friends, writing a diary is not only a way to express our inner feelings, but it also gives us a chance to understand our thoughts and emotions. Writing in a diary daily can bring wonderful changes to our lives. So, let's explore the benefits of diary writing that can positively transform our lives in every way. Section 2, Benefits of Diary Writing. First, let's understand the various benefits of diary writing. 1. Reduces stress and anxiety. When we write our thoughts in a diary, it lightens our mental load. This also helps in reducing our stress and anxiety. 2. A tool for self-reflection. Friends, a diary gives us the opportunity for self-reflection. We can write about our daily experiences, mistakes, and achievements, which shows us the path to self-improvement. 3. Enhances creativity. Diary writing also enhances your creativity. By noting down new ideas in your diary, you get a chance to think about them in greater depth. 4. Preserving memories. We can cherish precious events of our lives by writing them in a diary. When we read them in the future, it brings back beautiful memories. 5. Clarifying goals and purpose. Writing down our dreams, plans, and goals makes them clearer in our vision. This further motivates us to achieve our goals. Section 3, Tips for Effective Diary Writing. Now, here are some simple tips to make diary writing a habit. 1. Take out time, spend just 10-15 minutes a day and put your thoughts on paper. 2. Write honestly. Write down your thoughts without any hesitation. This is your personal space where you can be honest with yourself. 3. Focus on a specific event or emotion. Every day, focus on a special thought, event, or emotion. This will bring depth to your writing. 4. Focus on positivity. Write about the positive moments of your day. This will increase positivity in your mind and improve your mental health. 5. Maintain consistency. Make diary writing a part of your daily routine. Gradually, it will become a habit, and your thoughts will automatically become organized. Friends, writing a diary not only clarifies our thoughts, but also refines our personality. It's an excellent tool for promoting mental peace, self-discipline, and positivity. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe to our channel Victory Vision360, and let us know in the comments which benefit of diary writing you like the most. So friends, see you in the next video with another inspirational topic. Until then, stay connected with yourself and keep saving your thoughts.